Hi there, welcome to my channel. This video is a part of my series on studying personality types for high performance. So, a quick introduction about me. I'm Purva Hulke, and I'm a high performance coach helping business owners and entrepreneurs get things done faster with less stress. So, I have been into this coaching space for about an year and 3 months. And what I've realized is that the clients that makes the most fast progress are the ones who deeply understand themselves, who are very self-aware. So I have found a relationship between high performance and understanding your own personality. And I found that studying personality types and educating people about personality types will really help them to improve their performance a lot. So I have started this series on studying personality types for high performance. So yes, that is why I'm teaching this topic to give you a practical and clear understanding of your personality so that you can unlock your highest potential. All right, for today's class, let's get into the overview, what all we will cover. First of all, we'll cover what is personality and why study personality types, overview of major personality theories that help in achieving optimal performance. So, what is personality? So, personality is all that which makes you you. It's your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. So knowing a personality types is like knowing a set of traits that shape how we act and how we make decisions. Now, for example, you have a person who plans, everything in advance. They always keep their to-do list handy. They uh, plan everything to minute details. Whereas you might see people who are very spontaneous and make last minute decisions. So these are two different type of personality types. Personally, I'm a more of a spontaneous person, but over the years I have uh, transitioned to becoming more of a advanced planner because I realized that I being spontaneous sometimes it did not help me in achieving some bigger goals because bigger goals need more planning. So I became more of a planner type of person. So you see, personality type basically helps you understand yourself, and neither is right or wrong. Being an advanced planner or being a spontaneous person is neither or right or wrong. It's just how your personality works. But once you understand it, you can accept it, and if you want, you can change some aspects of your personality because you want to achieve different things in life. So, understanding your personality basically helps you to stop judging yourself. It helps you embrace your natural tendencies. You will learn how to use what you have to get ahead. And you will also start respecting other people and their strengths and a lot of judgmental tendencies. And they all kind of go down when you start studying people and their behaviors, because when you start understanding yourself, when you start uh, working towards your own growth journey, you will see how hard it is to break down your old patterns or cultivate new patterns. So you will also be more kind and compassionate towards other people who are also there on the similar journey. You'll stop judging people so much. So it helps you stop working against yourself and start working with yourself. Some more reasons as to why study personality is understanding your personality is like having a user manual for your brain, because most of us repeat the same habits, struggle with the same problems, and get triggered by the same things without knowing why. Years and years just pass without really knowing why do we do what we do. And if you have heard it, that if you keep doing the same things over and over again, you keep getting the same results. So if you understand why you do what you do, it will help you change those uh, unproductive patterns or the personality patterns that you do not want in yourself. And that is why it really helps you achieve actual improvement and actual personal growth in yourself. So once you understand yourself, you will gain clarity on why you do what you do. You'll get the tools to overcome your weak spots like overthinking or procrastination. You will get the self-awareness to use your strengths effectively. Like personally for me, I have been studying MBTI and Enneagram types. So it has helped me a lot in overcoming a lot of my unproductive patterns like overthinking and daydreaming, especially fantasizing. It helped me understand why, what exactly do I need to do to stay grounded and stop daydreaming so much. So one more thing that I would like to share is that studying personality types or any kind of self-awareness tool is far more better than just thinking positive, any fluffy stuff like visualization, affirmation, or guided meditation, or any or toxic positivity. It's much better than that, all right, because it is more practical and real. People have got real results from it, and it actually works. So if you don't understand how your mind works, no amount of motivation or the positive love stuff will break your deep rooted patterns. So that's one important point to note. So right now, most people are operating like at 10 to 20% of their potential simply because they're unaware of their subconscious patterns that sabotage their progress again. And also, there is so much of unaccessed potential. You have so many hidden talents that need more attention and grooming. And so, personal understanding yourself will help you actually access in a very practical fashion. You will be able to access a lot of your unconscious and subconscious mind's talents. So once you get this, you don't need someone else to fix you. You will have your personal toolkit to upgrade your mindset, habits, and get the best results for your life. So if you are someone who is serious about reaching your highest potential, know that it's not enough that you set goals and hustle hard. Direction is also important. It's also about deeply understanding who you are, how you operate, and why you do what you do. Okay, now let's get into the overview of major personality theories that will help you in achieving optimal performance. So I'm going to cover three of the theories. This is personally, there are many theories, but these are the theories that I have studied and that I have found very useful and they have a lot of practical application in your life. So I'm going to cover uh, very high level. On a very high level point of view, I'm going to explain the other theories. I'll also do separate videos where I will go in depth about each and every theory. So right now I'm just covering very simple and basics of this different theories. Like what is this theory about? So first we have Carl Jung's psychological types. It tells you the how of your personality. Carl Jung's psychological types will help you understand how your mind works. So Jung believed that we have this conscious, subconscious, unconscious minds that are constantly shaping our behaviors. And when we learn to integrate all the parts of ourselves, the ones that we are proud of, generally the part of conscious mind, and the ones we tend to ignore, subconscious and unconscious personality patterns, we move more closer to mastering ourselves. So this is the deep inner work of becoming your best and most authentic self. The theory emphasizes the integration of various aspects of personality to achieve self-realization. Now, another theory which was just based on Jung's theory, a lot of other theories, a lot of them like Kiersey, temperament sorter, MBTI, all of them were based on Jung's work of psychological types. I'll cover a lot about it in more depth in the upcoming videos. And okay, so now we talk about MBTI. MBTI was built on the foundation of Jung's work. It is Myers-Briggs type indicator. It tells you the what of your personality. So two folks, Isabel Briggs Myers and her mother, Catherine Briggs, built on the work of psychologist Carl Jung to develop a system of categorizing human behavior. MBTI takes the understanding of Carl Jung's psychological types and gives a very clear and practical map of what our personality is. MBTI MBTI code is basically a four-letter code: INFP, ESFJ, INTP. There are 16 types of people in this world, and it basically categorizes these people on four parameters. Number one is whether you are an introvert or extrovert. How do you get your energy? Do you feel your energy is recharged when you are around people? Then you might be an extrovert. If you feel that no, people is something that you avoid, you need solitude, alone time to recharge, then you are an introvert. So that is I versus E, letter number one. So letter number two, or the second parameter, is how you process information. Whether you're a person who would like to use your senses to gain information, or do you use your intuition? Facts versus ideas. That is S versus L. Sensing versus intuition. Then the third parameter is how you make decisions. Whether you use your brain or your heart, logic or your feelings. That is thinking versus feeling. T versus F. And the fourth parameter is how you structure your life. Whether you're a person who likes to keep everything very planned, up you keep everything pre-planned, or you are someone who goes with the flow, is very spontaneous. That is judging versus perceiving, J versus P. So based on these four letters, you have a total 16 types of you get total 16 types of personalities. And this MBTI is quite famous. It is used by Fortune 500 companies as well. It helps you improve your productivity, make good career choices, and understand your strengths and weaknesses. Now, coming to Enneagram personality theory, is it tells you why you do what you do. So it goes much more deeper. Uh, I won't say that MBTI and psychological types are not deeper, but it's just it is like Enneagram is also very helpful in understanding yourself. This model answers the big question of why you do what you do. It uncovers your core fears and desires and hidden motivation that drive your behavior. For example, two people might both be super hardworking, but for different reasons. Like one is afraid of being a failure, and another might love being the best. It's like Enneagram 1 and Enneagram 3. So both the types have the drive of being are seen as hardworking people, but they have different drives behind it. So it tells you the why, it tells you your motivation to exist. And here's the real magic. When you combine all three, Jung's insights, MBTI's clarity, and Enneagram's depth, you create a full 360-degree understanding of yourself. You are no longer just reacting to life, you're consciously designing it from inside and out. So, in short, Jung's theory helps you integrate all parts of your personality and unlock your full potential. MBTI helps you optimize your strengths. Enneagram helps you heal and grow emotionally. So together they are your toolkit to unlock peak performance, which is rooted in deep self-awareness. So this is the major like overview of three personality theories. Very I have kept it very high level, very simplified. I'll go into the depth of each of this theory in my upcoming classes. So that is it for today's class. In the next class, I'll be covering Carl Jung's psychological types, the foundation of MBTI. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next class. Bye bye.